Good morning, grade 5s. Hope you are all well. Today I'm explaining what you should do for 28 May. For NS&T, we're going to do a little bit of a research project for non-metal materials. Okay, so let's quickly start. The starter, you don't have to write. It's a verbal answer. This is just to test your previous knowledge. Okay, so name 3 non-metal materials. So you have to think about materials that are non-metal. And we've been doing materials the last couple of weeks. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to quickly think of non-metal materials. Okay, so that's quite easy because we've been doing it for the last couple of weeks. Some examples: fabric, plastic, wool, paint, glass, concrete, ceramics, plaster of Paris, and then many more. Okay, so do the following project in your book. It is a research project. Okay, so find a product in the house that is made from a non-metal material. I am going to do an example with you, but you may not use my example. You have to pick your own item. So, step 1, find something in the house or outside that is made from a non-metal material. So, be creative, but pick an item that is only made out of one material because it's going to be easier, or 1 or 2 materials, but pick the main material of that product. Okay, so my example is a mug. So I'm going to do a coffee mug. As you know, I love my coffee, so I picked a mug. Okay, so question 1. What is the product that you found? Okay, I found a mug. So what did you find? So you write that answer down. Question 2. Draw the product. So you're going to look at your item and you're going to use 5 lines to quickly draw your product. Try to make a nice drawing. It's not art. Remember, it is science. So you don't have to be all artistic. Okay, but do your best. Question 3. What is the product used for? So if I think about my product, the mug, my product is used to drink hot drinks mostly. So my coffee, my tea, hot chocolate, Milo, whatever hot drink I can drink out of my mug. But I can also use it to eat maybe ice cream or eat yogurt or eat soup. So that is the uses of my mug. So mainly it is to drink coffee and tea. Okay. So let's see. Next question. From what material is the product made from? Okay, my mug is made from ceramics. So what is your product made from? Okay. Question 5. Why do you think this material was chosen for the product? Okay, now I have to think, why did they pick ceramics for a mug? Well, I think ceramics is durable, so it will last a long time. It is waterproof, and I think it keeps your hot drinks warm. And then you can make different shapes because ceramics are soft before you bake it, so you can make it in different shapes. I think that is the reasons. There's maybe many more. Okay, so question 6. Does the material of the product cause litter or pollution? So if you don't know, you have to do a little bit of research or ask some people for what do they think. Well, ceramics, I don't think it's causing a lot of litter, but I've read a little bit that it can cause pollution. Apparently, when they make ceramics, there's a lot of toxic gases that goes into the air. I didn't know that, but apparently the air pollution is quite a problem with ceramics. But litter, I don't think that is a big problem. It can be a problem, but it's not big. Okay. Then suggest another material that could be used to make the product. So I went and I did a little bit of research, but you can also think for yourself. Okay, so a mug can be made out of hard plastic, or it can be made out of steel, but steel is not a non-metal. You can also make it out of glass. So I'm going to pick plastic, hard plastic. Okay, so you have to think about your product and think about another material that you can use to make that very same product. Then, question 8. Would the properties of the material you suggested be better for making this product? Explain why. Okay, so now I have to think, is plastic better for a mug or is ceramics better? Well, I think no, plastic is not better because it's causing a lot of litter. If you throw away a plastic mug, it remains there for years and years and years. So that can cause a lot of litter, and it causes pollution. But if you think about the properties, it also keeps your coffee warm. But have you ever drank coffee out of a plastic mug? It gives another taste to your coffee. It's not the same. A ceramic doesn't give out a taste, so your coffee doesn't taste strange. I would rather pick ceramics than plastics. So let's see. Would the properties of the material suggest be better? I think no, and I explained my answer. Okay, so this is actually a very nice project, and you learn something more about the materials and that specific product. So step 1, pick a product, and then you answer all the questions about that product and the material that product is made out of. Just remember, it must be a non-metal material. I hope you enjoy this. I think it's a quite fun project to do. Then your plenary, again, you don't have to answer it in your book. You only answer verbally. This is just to test you. Why do you think we should use less plastic? Why do you think plastic is a problem? If you don't know, you are more than welcome to do a little bit of research for yourself and learn something about plastics. Okay, I hope it's not too difficult. I think it's quite easy and fun. Enjoy it, and then hopefully I see you soon. Ta-ta!